mitosis from systemic cell while mitosis from systemic cell while
No.
mitotic.
I need example, just example, not a type of division. I need example for somatic cell in any cell considered as somatic cell. The
اللي
cell.
هو الvegetable.
No. The cell such as liver, skin. This is somatic cell. Okay.
هنا أو somatic cell هتبقى الليفر.
Okay, I can say liver cell, skin cell.
reproductive هتبقى starfish.
What? Starfish reproductive cell. Muhammad, pay attention. I have two types of cells.
Ovary.
And yeah, ovary or tests. Okay? Or anther in plant. Okay. So we have two types of cells which are somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell such as liver cell or skin cell, and reproductive cells such as tests in male or ovary in female or anther in plant. Okay, thanks Muhammad. Minna, number 46. Minna?
The atomic particles fused and formed the helium gas and hydrogen gas.
Excellent. Helium and hydrogen gases. Excellent. Thanks, Minna. Number 47. And Muhammad.
Vegetative reproduction in the plants happen by mitotic division.
Excellent. Vegetative reproduction in the plant takes place by mitotic division. Okay. Any asexual type of reproduction takes place by mitotic division, such as vegetative division. We have many types of asexual reproduction, right? Can you remember them? Vegetative reproduction. Reproduction
yes.
by budding. Reproduction by regeneration.
Budding
budding
أو في
regeneration
وفي budding
vegetative reproduction binary fission, right?
Right.
Okay. Number 48. 48 Minna. Vector velocity. Pay attention here. Velocity is vector physical quantity. So velocity equals space divided space. يا من
هتبقى هو هنا عايز ايه؟ عايز اليونت ولا
the rule of velocity. Okay, do you know the rule of speed? Speed equal
distance over time.
Excellent. Distance over time. So velocity equal distance, or I replace distance such by a vector quantity like displacement. Right? So the velocity here equal, not the distance here, but equal a displacement divided by time. Okay. تمام كده؟
اوكي يا مس.
اوكي. طيب number 49 يلا يا محمد. 49. The centromere divides and the spindle fiber contracts.
Device and
In mitotic division
during anaphase.
Excellent. During anaphase. During anaphase.
Anaphase.
Excellent. Excellent. Minna, when male gamete fuse with female gamete, space is formed. Do you know what's meant by gamete?
zygote.
Excellent. Forming zygote, which mean baby, forming baby. Zygote is a scientific term. Excellent. So when male gamete, what's meant by gamete? When I say gamete, here I mean the cell with haploid number of chromosome. Okay? When I say gamete, here I mean the cell with haploid number of chromosome, such as a sperm. When a sperm fuses with ova, this is a female gamete, zygote is formed. Zygote is formed. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Do you follow up the Edmudu?
Yes.
Yes. Did you watch the science video for sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction and mitotic division?
No, we didn't watch.
No?
بس النت يعني بطيء شوية.
Okay. Try to watch them. Okay? Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Question two, write the scientific term. Muhammad, a lens always form a dimension image for the object. In this lens, I have just one case.
Concave lens.
Excellent. Concave lens. Concave lens always formed dimensioned image. What's meant by dimensioned? Dimensioned means minimized. Lamina.
The displacement in 1 second, average velocity.
The displacement in 1 second. Why it is average velocity? It's not average here, okay? It's not the summation of total displacement divided by the summation of total time. This is the displacement in 1 second, so this is velocity only, without average velocity, okay? Number 3, Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad, you have a problem in your network. Okay, number 3, the total distance that moving object covers divided by the total time taken to cover this distance. Yeah, here I am talking about the total distance. Total distance. Here I'm talking about the total distance divided by total time. Yeah, Muhammad, can you answer the question? Total distance divided by total time. When I say total, so this is average. I can say here average, huh? Muhammad, can you hear me? Okay, total distance divided by total time. And when I say total, so this is average, and asks you about distance divided by time. So this is speed. So the answer will be the average speed. Number 3, the answer will be the average speed. Okay, thank you. Number 4. Number 4, that the object speed change increases or decreases. Don't determine increase or decrease by equal value in equal period of time. Yeah, here he asks you, or he talks about speed changing in speed during a period of time, changing in speed during period of time, whatever, increasing or decreasing. So this is acceleration. This is acceleration. And he said by equal value in equal period of time. So this is regular acceleration. Regular acceleration. Minna, can you hear me? Number 4, this is regular acceleration. Okay, he talks about the change of speed, and he said by equal value in equal period of time. So this is regular acceleration. Number 5. Number 5, the distance that is covered. Minna, can you hear me? Okay, yeah, read number 5. Read question number 5.
The distance covered through a unit time, speed.
Excellent. This is speed. Number 6. Yeah, Minna.
The angle between the reflected light ray and the normal on the reflecting surface, angle of reflection.
Excellent. When he asked about reflected light ray and the normal, so this is so easy. This is the angle of reflection. Thanks, Yamin. This is the angle of reflection. Number 7. Yamin, number 7. I have you only, so you will answer all the question.
The incident light ray.
Excellent.
The incident light ray, the reflected light ray, and the normal line all lie in the same plane perpendicular to the reflective surface.
Yeah.
دي هتبقى second law.
Excellent. Second law of reflection. You must say that. Second law of reflection. Excellent. Can you tell me what about the first law? What's meant by first law of reflection? Huh?
Angle of incidence equal angle of reflection.
Excellent, excellent. The first law of light reflection is talking about the angles. And it said the angle of reflection equal to the angle of incidence. While the second law of light reflection talking about the light rays. And it said the incident light ray, all light rays, incident light ray, and reflected light ray, and the normal, all of them in the same plane perpendicular to the reflecting surface. Thanks, ya Muhammad. Minna, number 8.
The change in the position of an object by the time to reference point, motion.
Motion, excellent, excellent. Muhammad, number 9.
The midpoint in the surface of the mirror, The pole.
Excellent. Pole of the mirror. If I have a concave mirror, so the midpoint here is called pole of the mirror. Excellent. Thanks, ya Muhammad. Number 10. Minna.
The distance between the optical center and the optical center and the lens and the focal length.
Focal length. Excellent. The distance between the optical center and the focus in the lens. Pay attention. The optical center in the lens. The pole in the mirror. So the distance between the optical center and the focus in the lens, so this is called focal length. Thank you. Number 11. Muhammad.
The point by which the reflected light ray are collected in the concave mirror focus.
The point by which the reflected light ray are collected in a concave mirror. So this is focus. Excellent. The next one, Minna.
A straight line joins between the two centers of curvature of a convex lens passing by the optical center. The ال
Okay, I draw it. Straight line for this. Sure, this is not straight line. Straight line. Wait. Straight line. Okay. Thanks. Wait. Straight line joined between the two centers of curvature of a convex lens passing by the optical center. If I have the optical center here, this is the optical center, and these are the two centers of curvature, C number 1 and C number 2. So the straight line passing between or passing by the straight line passing by the two center of curvature and the optical center, this is called principal
axis.
Principal axis. This is called principal
axis.
Thanks, Yaminna. Muhammad, number 13. A point inside the lens. We said that now. A point.
A point inside the lens that lies at mid-distance between its two faces. Optical center.
Excellent. Optical center. What's meant by lie in the mid-distance between the two surfaces? This means the distance between this point and the first surface, and this is the first surface, equal to the distance between this point and the second surface of the lens. Okay? Number 14. Number 14, Minna.
The mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of the inner surface of the sphere. Plane mirror?
Plane mirror? No, sphere. So this is not a plane mirror. This is a spherical mirror. And we have two types of spherical mirror, which are concave and convex mirror. The inner part, its surface is the inner part of a sphere. So can you look at this figure? This is the inner part. This is the inner part. So this is the shiny part is the inner part. So this is a type of a concave mirror or a convex mirror. The inner part. I will draw it in green color. Can you see it? This is the inner part of sphere. Inner part of a sphere. This type of mirror is called concave or convex.
Convex.
This is convex. The inner part of sphere. This is the inner part of
Concave.
concave. This is a concave. This is a convex. Can you see? This is a convex, and I will make here. So this is the outer part of
This is
sphere,
convex.
and this is a convex mirror. Okay. Thanks, Yamin. Muhammad.
Okay.
Okay. يلا محمد.
15. Bouncing of the light ray when it strikes the reflecting surface. Reflecting.
Light reflection. Excellent. Light reflection. Bouncing back or returning back of light ray when it strikes the reflecting surface. So this is called light reflection. Light reflection. Thanks, Muhammad. Number 16.
The combination of the male gamete and female gamete to form zygote.
محمد بقى عشان انتي لسه قايلاه. لا انت ما قلتيش الساينتفك term. اوكي ماشي. اوكي you can answer it. The combination between male gamete and female gamete to form zygote. This process is called
Fertilization.
excellent. Fertilization process. This is called fertilization process. Number 17. Muhammad.
The space which contains all the galaxies, stars, planets, and living organisms. Universe.
The universe. Excellent. Minna.
A group of stars that rotate together in cosmic space by the effect of gravity. Galaxies.
Excellent. Galaxies. Yeah, Muhammad, quickly.
The point of contact of the two point of connection of the two chromatids of the chromosome during the cell division.
John, correct them in
Centrosome.
again, Muhammad, please.
The point of connection of the two chromatids of the centrosome during connection of the two chromatids of the chromosome during the cell division. Centrosome.
No. Can you see this point, Muhammad? Huh? Can you see this point? This is not centrosome. This is centromere. Centromere, okay? So this point is called centromere. Can you hear me, Muhammad? The point of connection, the two chromatids of chromosome, this is called chromosome, and this is the point of connection of two chromatids during the cell division, and this is called centromere. Okay, Muhammad? This is not centrosome. This is centromere. أنا عارفة إن centrosome شبه centromere بس تركز أنت بتقول إيه. This is a centromere. Thank you, Muhammad. طيب Muhammad again, number 20. Muhammad.
Fusion of the male and female gamete to form the zygote. Fertilization.
Excellent. Fertilization process. Minna. Number 21.
The force that controls the orbits of the planets around the sun according to the modern theory. Gravity.
Excellent. Gravity. Yeah, Muhammad.
Asexual reproduction occurs by different parts of the plant with seeds. Uh, مش عارفها دي يا مس.
Okay, pay attention. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs by different parts of plants without needing for seeds. This is called vegetative reproduction. This is called a vegetative reproduction. We said that we have 5 types of asexual reproduction. Remember with me, asexual reproduction, we have 5 types of asexual reproduction, which are budding, binary fission, vegetative reproduction, reproduction by regeneration, and reproduction by spores. Okay? The vegetative reproduction, it is a type of asexual reproduction by which we can produce a new plant without needing for seed. We can take a part from the root and put it in the soil to produce another plant. Or we can take a part from the stem or from the leaf. Pay attention. Can you imagine? We can take a part from root, stem, or leaves, and these are called vegetative organs. These are called vegetative organs. We can take a part from root, stem, leaves, and use this part to produce another plant. We can take a part from the root and put it in the soil. We can take a part from the stem, like in potato. We can take a part from potato considered as a stem. We can take a part from potato and put it in the soil and producing a new plant. Here we produce a new plant without needing seeds. Okay, so this is called vegetative reproduction. This is called vegetative reproduction. We use vegetative organs which are root or stem or leaves without needing seeds to produce a new plant. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Lamina, number 23, or Muhammad, number 23.
A series
Adverse change. Can you remember the adverse phase? Yeah, complete your question. A serious adverse change occurs.
Occurs which lead to the formation of a complete set of chromosomes that have the same number of the mother cell chromosomes, of the mother cell's chromosomes. Mitosis?
No, which phase is called the adverse phase? And we ask you in a give reason formation. Give reason as this phase is called adverse phase to prophase. Can you remember the phase? The phase here is called telophase. Telophase. Telophase is called the adverse phase as it is the adverse of prophase. In prophase, at the end of prophase, we have disappearing of nucleolus and nuclear membrane, right? While in telophase, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane start to appear again. So this is called the adverse phase. Adverse means opposite phase. Okay? So this phase is called telophase. This phase is called telophase. Okay, Muhammad? Okay. When I ask you, give reason, the telophase is adverse phase or is called adverse phase. Why?
عشان اللي هو عشان بتظهر complete complete set of chromosomes identical to the mother cell.
No. The telophase is called adverse phase because it is the adverse of prophase due to the formation of nucleolus and nuclear membrane again. Okay? And عندي what happens at the end of prophase? What happens at the end of prophase? Disappearing of nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Whatever in mitotic or meiotic division. Disappearing of nucleolus or and nuclear membrane. Okay, what happens in telophase? Appearing of nucleolus and nuclear membrane again. So this is called adverse phase, the opposite phase. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Number 24, Minna. A type of asexual reproduction where the nucleus divided mitotically, then the cell splits into two identical cells. Number 24.
Binary fission.
Excellent. Binary fission. Binary fission. This is number 24. Number 25, Hamad.
The line that passes through the optical center of the lens without passing through the two centers of curvature.
This is principal axis. He said without passing through the two centers. This is
Without incident light ray.
no. We have two types of axes, which are principal axis that passes by the center of curvature and optical center. And we have another type of axis passes by optical center without passing by center of curvature, and it is called secondary axis. Okay, so the secondary axis here.
Okay, miss.
Okay. We have a lens here, and this is optical center, and this is center of curvature, center of curvature. The axis that passes by the center of curvature and optical center, this is called principal axis. While the axis that passes by the optical center without passing by the center of curvature, these are called secondary axes, right? Okay.
Right.
يلا من. Why you are laughing?
The distance between the pole of the mirror and its center of curvature. Radius.
Okay, excellent. Radius. The distance between the pole of the mirror and the center of curvature. So this is radius. Number 27, Hamad.
The sun and 8 planets, the solar system.
Solar system. Okay, Minna, number 28.
The ability of some animals to compensate their missing parts. Regeneration.
Excellent. Regeneration. 29, Hamad.
The phase in mitotic division that form two spherical, two separate groups of chromatids.
The phase in mitotic division that form two separated groups, formation of two separated groups. I can draw the phase and you will tell me the name of this phase, okay? Two separated.
Anaphase.
Excellent. Anaphase. Two separated groups. This is the centrosome. And spindle fiber starts to shrink. Spindle fiber starts to shrink. Here in mitotic division, the chromosome divided into chromatid. And each group of chromatids migrate toward the pole of the cell and form this shape, and this phase is called anaphase. This phase is called
Anaphase.
anaphase. Okay, number 29, anaphase. Abdul Rahman, can you hear me? You're welcome, Abdul Rahman.
مش سامع.
Okay, Abdul Rahman, يلا number 30.
ده اللي هو فيز 1 صح؟
In mitotic division. This is not meiotic. In mitotic division. In mitotic division, by which the nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear. Okay. Hey, Abdurrahman, this phase is called You said it.
أنا قلتها؟
Yeah, I think.
أنا قلت إنها فيز 1 تبقى أول فيز اللي
Okay.
بتحصل بس كده.
Okay, its name.
بروفيز يا عبد الرحمن، انت لسه
The first phase. The first phase is called the prophase. The first phase is prophase. Okay, so the phase in mitotic division by which the nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear, this is called prophase. Thanks يا عبد الرحمن. Prophase. 31 يلا منا.
A biological process by which the living organism produces new individuals of the same kind and thus ensuring its continuity. Reproduction process.
Excellent. Reproduction process. 32 Muhammad.
the speed of an object relative to another observer or object.